When does it make sense for you to refinance all of your federal and private student loans into one new loan? Welcome to Money Answers TV. I'm Jordan Goodman, America's Money Answers man. We're here to help you build your skills and knowledge so you can be more successful in your financial life. You may be like many graduates today who've taken on several kinds of student loans at different interest rates in order to pay for your undergraduate and graduate education. About 45 million Americans have taken on over $1.5 trillion worth of loans, with the average graduate owing about $40,000. The average interest rates on these loans ranges from 5% to 10%, and the payback time is usually between 10 and 30 years. This amounts to an enormous burden on this generation of graduates. One strategy to lower your monthly payment, your interest rate, and your payoff time is to refinance all of those loans into one new private loan. The advantage of refinancing is that you have one payment a month instead of several. You will typically pay between 3% and 6% on the combined loan. You can pick the repayment period that works best for your budget, typically between 5 years and 20 years. The firm that I think will give you the best deal is my affiliate, Splash Financial, which you can connect with at splashfinancial.com/moneyanswers or 800-349-3938. Splash negotiates with several banks and credit unions to give you the lowest possible rates. You can check the rate you qualify for online in just a few minutes, and it does not impact your credit score. They do not charge any origination or early repayment fees. Splash can refinance any federal or private loans as well as Parent Plus loans. If you refinance $30,000 or more, you also get a $300 bonus if you mention Money Answers when you apply at Splash. The one potential downside of refinancing federal loans is that you may lose any special benefits such as access to the income-driven repayment plans and loan forgiveness options for death, permanent disability, or doing public service. So if you've accumulated a huge pile of student loans at higher interest rates, it certainly makes sense to look into whether refinancing them into one new loan makes sense for you.